Today we are on site raising an epic 18 by 24 Teton timber frame pavilion. This pavilion has a Douglas fir timber frame with a beautiful resawn texture. Really heavy timbers on this pavilion. We upgraded this with 10 by 10 posts, 10 by rafter plates. You're going to see the arch king post style truss on this Teton style and the steel strapping to complement the timbers. This is really going to give a presence in the backyard by the pool. Take a look at all the authentic joinery and oak pegs on this pavilion. All of our pavilions come standard with a Sansin stain. This is a 2-coat process. This family cannot wait for this summer spent by the pool.